Hello friends, Bluey Gaming here. So, if you watched my video with Bluey Fan on Wiki, I will show you uh, this giant Bluey, my first thing that I did on Bluey Fan on Wiki. Now I will read it. And please like and subscribe for more videos. And also, if I hit 100 subscribers, I will make a special video for you. It's a surprise, so please like and subscribe. Okay, now let's start the story. Giant Bluey. One day, Bluey sees on the ground a radioactive gun. She taps a button and then the gun shoots her. Bluey becomes bigger and bigger until she destroys the house. Everyone is surprised, but then Hugh Healer said that he planned this, but he wanted to shrink Bluey, not to make her giant. Hugh decides that the only mode to defeat Bluey is to make an army. After some minutes, Hugh makes an army that tries to defeat Bluey, but she is too big and strong. Hugh Killer comes back with an army. Copper, Demony, Skies, Bostard, and Bluey. Bluey is surprised that Demony, Skies, and Bostard came back after the episode Clash of Demony. Bingo tries to make herself giant, but she shrinks. You clicked on the wrong button, said Bluey. Ha 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 ha, laughed Hugh. Demony throws with bombs. Bluey sticks Bluey, and Skies, Bostard, and Copper help Demony. Bluey destroys Hugh and his army, but then a robot attacks Bluey. Some minutes later, some tanks are throwing bombs in Bluey. One tank throws some radioactive bombs. Bluey becomes even bigger, destroying the city. Oh my god, everyone says. He's even bigger! Bluey defeated again Hugh, but he will come back to battle with Bluey. Bluey and Bingo return to their normal size, but Bluey is ready to be giant if Hugh comes back. Pam pam pam. So, I think this video is a little bit short, but please like and subscribe. Seriously. And if you didn't watch that video and you don't know where it is, I will show you now. It's on Bluey Fan on Wiki, this site. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, to like and subscribe. And how I said, if I hit 100 subscribers, I will make you a special video for you. And it's a surprise. Bye!